All right, Anthony, why don't you give us a quick 1-2 minute, dissect of what you're going to do over the next couple of months?
Okay, cool. So I mean that we've kind of gone through it one by one, right? So small tech US will slowly. I already have some. I'll slowly buy into them a bit more, but
Yep.
but smaller than my usual allocation. Big tech, I'm actually thinking of taking some profits off the table, so I'm reducing my allocation to big tech. China is it's maxed, but there might be a bit of shift in terms of focus for me. Crypto, I really like it, right? I've been playing with DeFi wallets over the past 2 weeks. It's really, really interesting to me. So I'm actually putting more money in both for stable coins as a matter of yield farming, right? Because to me, it's
Okay.
like free cash. And other than that, it's the really, really the more risky assets in a sense, right? And building a portfolio of 15, 20 coins where you think they will be the future of crypto and that's a bet for the next 3 to 4 years after the bear market. It's not it's highly unlikely they will double in the next year or so, given where we are and how high valuations are. But it could 10 times in 5 years after the next bear.
So it sounds like you're playing. It sounds like you're a VC putting your money in like 15 different startups, and one makes it.
Yeah, I just need one that becomes Facebook, and it's like, hooray! I'm retiring, boss. Goodbye.
Nah, cool. Sorry, yeah. Anything else to add on that front?
No, that's it. It's just stable coins, crypto, and shares. Shares are shares, right? We know what's going on there. So it's just slowly adding. I think with everything, including crypto, it's DCA, right? I'm maybe a bit of a pessimist. I feel like everything is going to crash. So put your money in, but slowly, right? You don't need, if you have 100K now, don't need to chuck it all in. Don't be silly, because with crypto that could become 50K next week. So don't do that. But just put your money in slowly and hope and pray, because we don't really know that in the longer run this works out.
Definitely. Cool.
How about you?
Well, I think for me as well, I think we were just going down. We were just talking, but I think to consolidate, my stocks right now, I am DCAing a little bit. I still have a little bit more money to go in. If it drops further, if not, I'll just hold it as cash. But I am waiting for Q4 earnings to pop. I really do think that there will be a little bit of a jump. If not, I expect 5 to 10, because I do expect with Omicron and with everybody else moving back to work from home, they're just going to subscribe to all this tech portfolios that I have. And then I'm actually looking at liquidating, right? Because I have no idea how it's going to happen in the growth stock format, in the growth stocks sector. Mainly because I have no idea what's going to happen when Fed looks to increase their interest rates. All that volatility. I'll just take my gains. I'll wait for a couple of months, see where the market is, and then slowly go back in. That's the way that I look at things. Of course, crypto is one. Looking to go into it. I just don't know when yet, but I do have the money in the wallet waiting to buy.
Oh, you funded an account.
Yeah, I have Gemini. Yeah.
Hooray! That's progress, man. That is the first
Thanks,
step.
buddy. Thank you.
Let me send you a crypto.com referral code.
Hey, okay, done. Yeah, so I have a wallet. I have all of that set up. It's just pushing the button in to buy. So I'm just waiting, understanding a bit more of the market. Of course, looking a bit more exposure into mega tech. That's the part I won't liquidate, mainly because I think that will still do better than my bank account. So there's definitely that play. And lastly, yeah,
everything that's better than a bank account.
Well, unless you lose money, then obviously it isn't money.
You can't lose money. It's just a matter of time.
Well, you never know. But yeah, and lastly, I think my big play that I do here for retirement is real estate, right? So instead of REITs, I just buy real estate. It sounds like it's easy, but it's not, right? So
it's terrible.
Yeah, it's a lot of work, but the returns and gains are quite good there if you know what you're doing. So yeah, looking at that in 2022, 2023.